Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is a Forex series where I will be covering everything from scratch, and after that, we will start posting strategies and other videos which will help you become a consistently profitable trader. Today, I will try to keep this video short and precise. So, let's get started. So, what is Forex? You might have heard a lot about this term, but what exactly does it stand for? It stands for foreign exchange, which means exchanging your currency for a foreign currency. So let us understand this with a simple example. So let's say you stay in US, okay, and you wanted to travel to Dubai for any work or vacation. So every airport has a currency exchange counter. So let's say in Dubai you give them $1 as you're coming from US, so you have US dollar. So they will give you 3.67 dirhams, which is the currency of UAE. This 3.67 dirham is basically the current exchange rate of US dollar to UAE dirham. So let's say you exchange $100, you will get 367 dirhams. So let's look into different currency pair. Let's take Euro USD. This is the most commonly traded currency pair, and right now 1 euro is equal to 1.05 US dollar. So here you can see euro is stronger than US dollars. Now you might be asking, what does this mean and how do I make money out of it, right? So let's say you're trading this currency pair, which is Euro USD. You're using one standard lot, which is the unit of measurement. So to take an example, let's say you enter at 1.05100 and you exit at 1.05300. So if you see, this is a 20 pips movement. Don't worry, we will have another video on how to calculate pips and we will cover everything in that video. So if you see here, you can see the third and fourth decimal point, there is a change, right, from 100 to 300. So this movement is 20 pips movement. So let's say if you grab this, it will be $200 profit on a one single lot. So this is simply buying a currency at lower price and selling at a higher price, which most traders do. Also, it can easily go in opposite direction and you can lose $200 or more. So this is why you need to have understanding of technical analysis and you need to practice a lot with the charts, with the strategies and lot more. So that is why you know when and why to enter at a particular price point, and which is what we do in trading. So that was all about it. If you got any value out of this video, please like, share and subscribe. That's all for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.